G'day guys, Linda here from JTS12Volt. Now, as you can see, the system has been put into the Custom Lithium Raptor, and we shall go through it with Wayne and possibly Rowan and have a look at it, what's going on. Cheers.
Okay, Rowan from JTS here, guys. So we've just finished up that board that we showed you earlier. So this one's a system for a show, and it's also us testing an 800 amp hour ultra slim battery. So that's a new one for us. We had it testing in Ram recently. That's the T-Rex Ram. And now we've got it in the Ranger. She's going to go down to Adelaide, and then it's going to go across Nullarbor to Perth, and then it's coming back to Queensland. Not the easy way, the hard way. So that's what we do. We test them, we make sure they work. We've done a full system in here from Red Arc. So we've got a 2000 inverter. We've got an Alpha 50, as well as hidden in behind there, we've got the Rogue system, the original one. On the Red Vision screen, we've got our main fusing out here. Anderson's solar in. We've got solar on top coming down to the side here. We're running a Starlink. And anyone who's running a Starlink knows now, if you've got the 5-meter cable, all you need to do is run it to an Anderson. That's it. You don't need the super high powered USBs and all that crap. Just run it from the Starlink into an Anderson with a 5-meter cable. You can't go wrong. Alrighty. So that's the setup. We've got some lovely little functioning lights up in the top there as part of the display. If you're in Adelaide or you're in Perth, come to the show. Come to the stand for Custom Lithium and have a chat to Wayno, and he'll show you through the system and get your name, and we can look after you with a quote for a system just like this for your off-road vehicle.